Good morning, myself Santosh Yadav, and I welcome to all of you in this lecture of class 12. Today's our flow chart is Huygens principle, law of reflection, law of reflection by Huygens principle. So these are the flow chart of today. Huygens principle, laws of reflection by Huygens principle. So first of all, I come to Huygens principle. What is the Huygens principle? Can you tell me? Anyone? Let me explain what is the Huygens principle. You know? Write it down. Rays emerging from primary source is known as primary wavelets. The point on falling these rays are the new sources of secondary wavelets. First of all, write it down. Rays emerging from primary source is known as primary wavelets, and the points on falling these rays are the new sources of secondary wavelets. Okay, write it down first. Sources of pain is called base front, secondary wavefront. Wavefront. Sorry. Sources of pain is called primary wavefront. Why? Because this wavefront is made by primary wavelets. You know? Listen. Primary source create primary wavelets, and primary wavelets where it strikes on a plane that points are new sources of the secondary wavelet. So primary wavelets create a wavefront called primary wavelet, and the points on primary wavefront behaves like a new sources, they create secondary wavelets, and these secondary wavelets create secondary wavefront. Write it down here. Okay. Secondary wavelets create secondary wavefront. Let me explain. For example, we take source as a point source. Okay. First of all, write down. Okay, can I run this one? Let's understand how wavefront is formed. This is a point source. So this source is called primary source, and this emerges waves in all directions. In all directions. In 3D ways. Radially outward. This source generates wavelets in all the directions in 3D ways outward side, and these wavelets are called primary wavelets. Primary wavelets. And the point, suppose consider an imaginary plane like a spherical plane. So these wavelets strikes at this point, at this point, at this point, and furthermore points are also they will strike. But in case of wave, we consider only forward direction. So consider there are 3 points A, B, and C where primary wavelets strikes. So these points behaves like a new source. These points becomes a new source of wavelets. So this point send another wavelet, and create a new type of wavefront. These are the secondary wavelets. Secondary wavelets. And make secondary wavefront. Point source always create radial wavelets, and radial wavelets create wavefront that is spherical. So by primary wavelets, a wavefront is formed which is called primary wavefront, and the points where these wavelets strikes becomes a new source of light, and these sources again send secondary wavelets, and secondary wavelets lead new type of wavefront which is called secondary wavefront, and this is primary wavefront. Okay, this is the primary source and point source. Okay, and radial wavelets emerges out in all the directions in 3D waves from primary source, and these wavelets are called primary wavelets. And an imaginary plane where these wavelets strikes, the points become a new source of light, and these sources send secondary wavelets in all the direction in 3D wave, and these wavelets create a secondary wavefront. Okay, so this is the Huygens principle. And the second principle is he has been given that speed of secondary wavelets is same as primary wavelets. Write it down. Speed of secondary wavelets, speed of secondary wavelets is same as primary wavelets. So Huygens gave us two wave front concept by primary and secondary wavelets, and the speed of the primary wavelets is equal to speed of the secondary wavelets. Okay, so this is all about Huygens principle. There are two laws. One is primary source leads primary wavelets, primary wavelets leads primary wavefront, and the points on primary wavefront where primary wavelets strikes becomes new source of light, and these new sources again send secondary wavelets, and these secondary wavelets make secondary wavefront, and the speed of the primary wavelets equal to speed of secondary wavelets. A very important formula, as you all are know very well that angle of I equal to angle of R, that is a reflection law, and will prove reflection law by Huygens principle right now. So make the diagram first of all. This is the interface, and draw perpendicular here. You have to be very careful in drawing the diagram. First of all, these are the incident rays which are parallel to each other. So wavefront of these rays will be planar, like that. So AB is incident wavefront. A dash B dash, after striking the interface, this is the reflecting interface, So ray striking from the reflecting interface, they will reflect, and these are the reflected rays, and they are also parallel, so wavefront will be planar. So this is the A dash B dash wavefront move in forward direction, and A dash B dash is reflected wavefront. Okay. Incident wavefront strikes from reflecting surface and bounce back in same medium. So this is reflected wavefront like that. This is normal height. This is wavefront, so this angle will be 90 minus I, and this angle will be I, because this is 90 degree, this is 90 minus I, so it will be I. Simple mathematics. Similarly, this is also normal, so this is reflected ray, so this will be R, and this is wavefront, so this angle will be 90 minus R, and this is normal, so this whole angle is 90 degree, this is 90 minus I, so this will become R. Simple mathematics, you can do it. Okay. So make the diagram first here. Incident ray are parallel, so wavefront will be planar. So plane wavefront coming and strike the reflecting surface and bounce back in the form of reflected wavefront. So first of all, make the diagram. Okay. Now I am going to prove I equal to R. How? Let's see. In triangle A, B, A dash and A, B dash, A dash. Look at this and this. A, B, A dash and A, B dash, A dash. This angle and this angle will be 90 degree. That is, you can say here, angle A, B, A dash is equal to angle A, B dash, A dash, which is 90. Okay. And A dash is common in both the triangles. So one side is equal. A dash is common in both the triangles. So one side is equal, one angle is equal 90 degree. Okay. And listen, suppose speed of this medium, speed of light ray in this medium is v1 and speed of light in this medium is v2. There is no need of v2 because rays bounce back in same medium. So suppose speed of the light in this medium is v. Okay. BA dash is the rays reaching from one wavefront to another wavefront. As we earlier discussed that time taken by the rays on reaching from one wavefront to another wavefront must be same. So this ray BA dash ray travel from wavefront AB from point B and goes on wavefront A dash B dash at point A dash. So let time taken by wave in reaching B to A dash is T. So B A dash will be B into T. Similarly, A is the point of AB wavefront and light ray coming from A and reaching to A dash B dash and B dash. So timing of ray from A to B dash will also same, because all the rays reaching on wavefront must be same. All the rays reaching on wavefront must be same, because of all the particles on wavefront vibrate in same phase. This is the reason behind this. So A B dash will be also B into B. All the rays coming from this wavefront to this wavefront must reach on same time, so that all the particles or wavefront vibrate in same phase. So B A dash equal to A B dash. So B D. So two sides are equal. A B dash equal to B A B. Sorry. Yeah. B A dash equal to A B dash. One side, यानी one side AB dash equal to BA dash, and A dash is common and one angle is same. So these are the similar triangle. Similar triangle. Similar triangle. So by formula of similar triangle, you can say that angle of A dash is equal to B dash A dash, and B A dash is I, and B dash A dash A, B dash A B dash A dash, B dash A, no, listen, BAA dash, angle BAA dash is equal to angle B dash A dash A, B dash A dash A. Okay. So BAA dash is I, and B dash A dash A is R. That is, angle of incidence becomes equal to angle of reflection. This is the proving of reflection law by Huygens principle. Okay, this is all about the topic right now, and tomorrow we will discuss about law of reflection by Huygens principle and other things. So today is over.